Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to make Guvar, also called cluster beans. So the first step is to add in 2 teaspoons of oil. Let it heat up and add in the ajwain seeds, about 1.5 teaspoons. Let the seeds sizzle and pop. Add in the cluster beans, Guvar. Mix it around so that everything gets coated nicely with the oil. A 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, green chilies according to your taste, 4 cloves of garlic shredded, Mix up all the spices so that everything gets evenly coated. Next, we're going to add a little bit of oil just so that gives some cooking agent and so it doesn't stick to the pot. Mix it up. Put on the lid, and what I did is cooked it under the ultra setting, so just for about 2 minutes, and manually also release the pressure once you are done.